So these are the best and newest codes for Arise crossover. So how do you actually do these codes? Well, tap on the first button, which is the shop, and as you can see at the very bottom, you can tap that button that says codes, and here you can insert them. So let's try the first one, which is actually very new and very fresh. That's why it's not even in my list yet. So you can tell that it's a new code that just dropped. So make sure you use this right now. Tap on send and it's going to give you a secret reward. Now I'm going to show you my list of codes, which is actually right here. So there are a lot, the first one being Dragon Blue. This gives you an exclusive mount, which is pretty cool, so you can ride it around and it can help you with your adventures and battles. Runes gives you 3 rank up runes to level up with. Update gives you 100 tickets. Alpha gives 200 cash. Beta gives you rewards, which you can only tell or you can only find out if you actually use it. Alpha Tester gives you rewards, and you must have taken part in the alpha. Tester QA gives you rewards, but only for QA testers. Tester gives you, well, rewards for testers, and CC Tester gives you only content creator rewards. So you have to be a part of some kind of group to use the testers and beta rewards. But yeah, these are the only codes that you can use for a Rise crossover. But before you use them, make sure you use the right punctuations and capitalizations in order to, well, use them, because they won't be able to work if you don't use them correctly, like if you don't capitalize them correctly. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked.